In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Vercel from GitHub. By the end, you'll know exactly how to disconnect the GitHub integration from your Vercel account using Vercel's own settings. This is useful if you're decommissioning a project, switching repositories, or just tightening up permissions. Before we start, make sure you can sign into Vercel and that you're certain you want to revoke its access to your GitHub account, because disconnecting will stop automatic deployments from GitHub. Open your browser and go to vercel.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your Vercel account as you normally would. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right corner for your profile icon. It might show your avatar or initials. Click that icon to open the account menu. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the configuration area for your account. On the left or within the settings navigation, find and select Authentication. This section lists the identity providers and Git integrations connected to your Vercel account, including GitHub. On the GitHub entry, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the Overflow or More menu. Click those three dots to reveal actions for that connection. Choose Disconnect. Vercel will typically ask you to confirm, because this action revokes the token that allows Vercel to read your repositories and trigger deployments on your behalf. Confirm the disconnect to proceed. Once disconnected, Vercel will no longer have permission to access your GitHub repositories. That means new commits in GitHub won't trigger Vercel deployments, importing new projects from GitHub will be disabled until you reconnect, and any GitHub-based previews or hooks tied to that authorization will stop. Your already deployed sites on Vercel will remain live, but they won't auto-update from GitHub anymore. If you change your mind later, you can come back to the same authentication page and reconnect GitHub to restore those workflows. A quick tip as you wrap up, verify the disconnect worked by checking that the GitHub provider now shows an option to connect rather than manage. If you use multiple Vercel workspaces or teams, make sure you're in the right account when you do this, since integrations are scoped to the account you're viewing. Also consider letting collaborators know that automatic deployments are paused so there aren't surprises on your next release. That's all there is to it. You've successfully removed Vercel from GitHub using the Vercel dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.